Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the property of matter. What is matter composed of? In a similar way that when white light passes through a prism, it refracts, and each um, color of light refracts at a different angle. And because white light is comprised of all the colors, when you pass the white light through a prism, you see the breakup of the spectrum creating a rainbow, correct? So as you can see, all the colors together forms white light. Now, in quantum physics, we learn about quantum fluctuations. The fact that you have energy in the form of light becoming a particle and an antiparticle briefly and then annihilating. And when they annihilate, they go back to energy in the form of light. And then they separate again, and then they annihilate. And this keeps happening in the quantum fluctuations and vacuums of space. In the same way that in an earlier video I explained how the universe was created likewise. We had a matter universe and an antimatter universe that exists for billions of years for us inside the universe, but which may exist for less than a second for someone outside of the universe. The two universes meet and then annihilate one another. Now, one thing to remember is that E equals mc squared. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. It means since light from light is since light can be transformed into a particle and an antiparticle, universe and anti-universe. Since everything that has mass has energy, and even the particles with no mass, they have energy. The conclusion that we can get out of this is that matter in its fundamental nature is energy, waves, and oscillations. And at the fundamental level, matter, particles, protons, neutrons, electrons, they are all a form of light. Because, like there was, let there be light, and there was creation. Let there be light. E equals mc squared. And then we have the creation of the universe. Everything came from light, everything came from energy, everything is energy, is light. Now, if you think of the space at the ether in space, the compressed space forms matter. Matter, the compressed light into a solid, light into a gas, a liquid, or so forth, the states of matter. The compression of light forms matter. The stretch of light, and you have empty space, dark matter, which I explained in an earlier video. So as you can see, everything is made of light, and the absence of light is darkness. As you can see, this is one thing that created, one theory of a created, when we create theories, we kind of make a hypothesis, we kind of make an educated guess, which may use common sense, rationality, or it may use facts from modern science. So this is my idea about light, is the fact that everything is made of light, except that compressed light gives you matter. Stretch light gives you empty space, but there's light everywhere. There are Higgs bosons, particles, strings, all through space comprising the natural world. Thanks for watching.